Hi, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create a 3D game in Smart Game Builder. This is the Steam. I purchased the Smart Game Builder from Steam and already finished downloaded. Now I can launch it. Just click launch. After that, I can click the new game, a new project to start creating a new game. Just click here. After you click here, you need to wait for a while. It will start to prepare a new game template for you. Just wait for a while. It almost finished. Right. Now it already finished loading. This is a new game template. First, I'm going to introduce you how to control the interface. Alright, see? Now I scroll my mouse wheel. You can zoom in and zoom out. If I hold the alternate and I click, use the right click to drag it, Then you can rotate the screen. If you want to look the perspective view, you can click here. Then it will be exactly look like the visual effect. Now you can see this sky. And when you see this red dot, this is the starting point. You can change it. Now this is selector. Now if I click here, right click, make this start point, then the player will start spawn at here. So play test, you can test your gameplay. Play test. Now the player is at here. So first you need to understand which button, WSAD, WSAD. Then how about E and Q? E and Q is to rotate the screen. R and F. If you press B, it will become the first person view, but you cannot use the mouse to control it because you not yet set it. Alright, if you press B again, you switch back to the third person view. This is the X. Button X is to open the menu so that you can save the game. Now I not yet set anything yet. C and V is to drag the camera distance. Now you see it linked to another map. Alright, now I close this. So far now we have two maps. This door, it linked to this map, you see. Link to this map. Which map? You can change the map. This is point to the house. And then here. This one. That means if the player approaches the door, it will link to the map which is named house. Let's say if I want it to appear at here, after you enter, the door direct appear at here. If I click OK, then now you can try to test play. See now he will be exactly at this position. Alright. So now, how to adjust the sky? The sky. This is the starting map. Right click, map setting. Where is the sky? The sky. Somewhere here. I can choose the sky. For example, if I choose this one, you can preview it here. Alien sky, arena, backyard. Alright. Blue lagoon. Let's say if I use this one, the blue lagoon. We try to see the effect. What will happen? Now the sky will become the background. I try to test play. I press B. This is exactly the background that you can see. Alright, now you can see if I press D, it will rotate 90 degrees as first person view. You cannot use the mouse to control. So the next I'm going to show you how to let the mouse be able to control the FPS first person view. You need to click Edit Game Data, the camera, the control setting, change to FPS style, click OK. Now I try to play test again. We see the third person view, still the third person view. If I press B, it change to first person view. Now I can use my mouse to control the player's direction. And this is really awesome. Enter the door. Here I also change to FPS. Okay. Now we're back to the game engine. What else that you need to know? Okay, you can see all the terrains. I can change the map size by right-click, map setting. The map size is 30 times 30 boxes. Now I make it become 256 times 256. This is the maximum number. Then you will have a very big map later. See. Now this is a really big map. So if you click this, it will back to X and Y plane view. So now if I use the selector, I select this part. Then I choose one terrain. I choose one terrain first. For example, this is sand. Then I select this part. I can use the paint to click here. It will immediately become sand. Of course, here you still have a lot of terrain. You have building. Building is nothing here. The internal side of the building. Of course, you can use the pen tool to just draw at here. Now I try to let here become starting point. You can apply any terrains. You can even to lift it up. For example, I want to lift this part. I use the selector tool, and once select it, I make it raise level. This part, raise level. The natural here, I put some grasses. I also can use the selector tool to make it up, and I fill it. Then the object here are all the 3D objects. It includes the building, the outdoor, some of the plants, coconut tree. Okay, all these the dinosaurs, these are imported by me from the FBX file. And I still have a lot. The alien plants. Is there any trees? The animals? Crocodile? Lion? So here is the starting point. I try to play test. Now you can see this world. Just now I paint this at the water. Now I can walk on that. I cannot walk through water. The crocodile. Lion. Dinosaur. And the building just now. And the house just now. Here can link to the internal part of another map. Alright, so now I'm going to close this. I press B, then I can close this. Alright, this map I created in this way. I can put some plants as well. Maybe some coconut trees here. The realistic coconut trees which are imported from the FBX file. Banana tree. Some other trees. You are creating your game world. Alright, the next I'm going to show you how to create characters here. This is your spawn point. If I want to create some characters, I can just click events, stationery. Here I choose a random character first. For example, I choose this one, the speak. So I put one character here. Then I can change the graphic. Now something is happened. Because just now when I click here, I have to wait until the next window to jump out. If I click here, it not yet jump out, then I click somewhere else here. Then now it will have this problem, it will stuck there. And just now I not yet saved my game. So maybe I will lose it if I just to start the task manager and close it. End task. This is a small game builder. I try to end task to force it to shut down. I launch it again. Most probably not yet safe. So the next I will do the same demo again to show you the correct way to make sure it never happen this again. So just now I press the new project. Okay, now just now what had I set? I right click here, map setting. I make it become a very big map, 256, 256. And just now I also create some sand land in this way. Click the terrain first, then select the area and fill it. Just now I also leave up some and also create some buildings somewhere here. The terrains, you can use the stairs and the slopes as well. Create some slopes at here. Okay, so now you better save your game file. As demo, I will save on my desktop. As a new project, I don't want to put as a new project, I put demo 001. Then save. In this moment, you will make sure it's saved. Okay, this is the thumbnail of the map. You can view your maps by dragging the red box here. You can see when I zoom it, the red box here, it also zoom in and zoom out. The red box always show that how big the area that display in front of you on the screen. The next, just now I say if I want to create, this is my spawn point. The game will start at here. If I want to create someone talking to me, I can click event, stationary, speak. Then I put someone here to speak. Click OK. Then as backup anytime, I can press Ctrl S to save it. Alright. Now you see this character, I click the selector, then click here. You can edit it. This one, this is the conversation. Of course, I can convert to advanced events, and all the settings will be here. This one, you click OK. It will make this one become events. In order to change the appearance of the 3D models for this person, I can click change graphic. Then now I can choose the character that I want to put. For example, this one. Then I can click OK. So this one now, the motion is working. It is not that suitable. I can change graphic again and make him to just wait at there, stand at there. Now the dialogue. This one is this guy. Then this one should be you. You are this one. Of course, later you can always change it. So who is start talking? The character one. Hello. Welcome to this game. Then after that, the next you can add your own conversation. Of course, you can copy this as well. Copy. Here. Paste. Where is it? Paste. Plus here. I put a note. Where is the notes? So that when I click the notes, I press paste, it will paste in front. So this one, hello, welcome to this game. Then now I can make the character to the dog. This one represent you as the main character. Of course, you can change this person if you don't want this person. You still have a lot of portrait, or you can draw yourself as well. Today is my first day to play this game. So as demo, I will just click OK. And here you already have an event. Now we try to test play this game. See what will happen. Press new game. Now I can let this character to walk. Now this is already a conversation. If I use the first person view, wait, this one I close first, edit the game data. I want to really make it become the first person. I click camera, FPS style, I click OK. Now I save it so that always backup. Playtest, maximize, new game. At this moment I can press B, then it will change me to become first person view. Then if I approach this person, I can just use the left click. Then it will start the conversation. Hello, welcome to this game. So this person start to talk. Then the second person start to talk. The stairs will not yet try. Alright, so now I'm going to close this and back to the game editor. I save it. This is how we create the conversation, how to change the characters. Alright, besides that, we can also create an event. For example, this one I can copy, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. Now I want to modify this. I click event setting. I can delete everything here, press delete. Now this is just nothing. And change graphic, I can change it to become an animal. Some animals characters here. Okay, this one is imported by me from an FBX file. The tiger as well. We just put some symbols, animals. I remember here I have a cat. Walk. Then I click OK. The movement speed, movement pattern, I can let this cat to move randomly. The movement speed can be fast. Then I try. Now I play test and see, can we see this cat to keep on moving there as a background skin. Where is the cat? Yes, the cat is here. So I can let this cat to talk as well. Just to click plus here. Then I add a message, display a message, meow. Then okay. Playtest. This is just a very simple dynamics to create the games. You need to set everything. The Smart Game Builder can let you set it very easy. I try to talk with this cat. Okay. Now this cat is talking to me. Click again, move again, approach again. It is very simple to set this. It's nothing complicated by using the Smart Game Builder. Now I'm going to close the game test and just have a look. Edit game data. The main character, just now you can see the main character. This one. If you're not satisfied, you can always change it. This is you, this is the player. Now I want to change her to become a girl. Maybe this girl. And how about the graphic? I also can change it. Should be this one. Click OK. Try to play test. Now you can see the main character already changed. Okay, now I save it. So today I already share with you how to put any of the objects to here. And also how to create a character, how to put a character, a talking character, how to start a conversation, and how to move this. How about if I want to use this character to teleport to somewhere else? Now I can show you. Now I can copy this character. Control C here, I paste here, Control V. So I modify it. I change the graphic to become just another person. The dialogue, I can just delete this, and this one I also delete it. I put just to put a message. Let's go. I teleport you into the house. So now I can just to click add. After this conversation, what will happen? Click add. Then this is about the player. Teleport player. Then where to teleport? Teleport into, I change the map. Should be teleport into the house here. somewhere here at the center of the house. Then I click OK. Click OK. So now this man now can teleport you into the house, into this map. The house is another map. Of course, you can always add a new map and design a new map. Now I try to play test for very quick, very simple, a new game. Now I try to talk to this person. What will he respond to me? Let's go, I teleport you into the house. Then, you see the next moment you appear in the house. This is how the program set. You don't need any coding, you don't need any script. You can do anything, design your game in your Smile Game Builder. These are just a very brief introduction about the Smile Game Builder today. And I will show you more about how to import characters, how to create characters by using the character creator that already inside this software in the next video. If you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to you, if you love my video tutorial, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the mini bell so that when next time I publish a new video, you'll receive the notification immediately. See you in my next video.